Good morning. This is DYVL Aksyon Radio, 819 kilohertz on the standard broadcast band with a power of 10,000 watts. DYVL Aksyon Radio is owned and operated by the Manila Broadcasting Company with permit to operate issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, BSD 0538-2013. Its studio and offices are located at PNP Road, Maharlika Highway, Barangay Campitic, Palo, Leyte. DYVL Aksyon Radio, 819 kilohertz on the standard broadcast band is now signing on. Ladies and gentlemen, the Philippine National Anthem.
Wayang magiliw, pero sa silanganan, alam ng puso, sa titig mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka masisigil. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong maghaw, may nilatang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kisap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagdidinig. Ang bituin na taraw niya kailan pa may mandidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhati pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Ang ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Great and merciful God, Lord of peace and of life, your designs are for peace, not affliction. You sent your Son Jesus to proclaim peace to those near and afar, and to reunite people of all races and descent in a single family. Hear the unanimous cry of your children, the sorrowful plea of all humanity for peace. Speak to the hearts of those in charge of the destiny of others. Stop the desire for retaliation and revenge. Suggest with your spirit new solutions, generous and honorable gestures, time for patient waiting. Grant to our times days of peace. Amen.
Manila Broadcasting Company.
Manila Broadcasting Company.
Kayo ay nakikinig sa Tunog ng Bayan. Aksyon Radio.
Aksyon Radio.
819.
819.
Ang Tunog ng Bayan. Ang nangunguna sa balita.
Aksyon Radio.
Issue at komentaryo.
Aksyon Radio.
Musika at showbiz.
Aksyon Radio.
Sa drama.
Aksyon Radio.
At sa serbisyo publiko.
Aksyon Radio. Ang Tunog ng Bayan.
Ang nangunguna.
Ang Tunog ng Bayan.
Aksyon Radio.
Aksyon Radio.
819.
819.